how to make a gear vendor change into a proper 6-speed using a B&M shifter and a micro switch. So we pull right down in first gear. First gear's on and we're in, no you can't see it, automatic mode. And then when I push it up into second, so it go first and then automatically go 1.5. And then when I push the switch up, push it up into second, automatically changes straight into second. I have to hold the gear shifter up into second, and then when I let it go, it goes 2.5. And then when I push it back up again, it goes into third. Gear vender's off, I'll let go of the shifter, 3.5. Easy way to make the gears change when you want without pushing dip switches and pressing buttons.